Mike Stevens, AFT. AFT is a Japanese-owned company, but with global operations and screening and...
Our parent company is Japanese. AFT actually operates as a wholly owned subsidiary of Aikawa Ironworks out of Japan. We have operations in Canada, Finland, South Korea, and Brazil. And we're continuing investing in the Western markets. Our growth markets are obviously Asia and South America, so we're trying to move more into those marketplaces with manufacturing capacity. But we still can't turn our backs on our core markets of North America and Western Europe. And so in order to be able to compete, we're constantly reinvesting in our manufacturing technologies. And we're one of the few companies still in the paper industry supplier side who looks at manufacturing core capability as a strength.
Right.
And are not trying to outsource our manufacturing to other places. We're investing in ourselves. We have our own team of people developing custom machines and tools and systems that allow us now to compete with these emerging economies with products made in the first world at first world quality, but are prices that are competitive.
I'm sure that must be music to a lot of customers' ears.
Well, it's also our local manufacturing locations. We have a plant in Varkaus, Finland, which is a very small city. We employ 165 people there. So it's a big deal to the local economy. We're also in Sherbrooke, Quebec, which is another small city in central Quebec. So the local economy needs these kinds of manufacturing jobs to sustain their futures locally. And we feel a big part of being part of these local communities to provide jobs locally, provide futures for these people, and also at the same time serve these local markets with quick deliveries. We're in the engineered wear products business, so delivery cycles have to be quick, 6 to 8 weeks. We don't have time for containers from China for 10 weeks to deliver something.
So and you can manufacture something in Finland at a competitive price?
Absolutely. Not only at a competitive price, but also very quickly. With a new manufacturing technology, we're now talking about something that used to take 3 or 4 weeks to manufacture to now it's 3 or 4 days to manufacture. So it's putting pressure on the other end of our business, also now the administration side. So administration now is much longer than the actual manufacturing cycle.
Right.
So the next round of investments will be in simplifying the administration processes in order to really shorten the delivery cycles.
It must take longer than 3 or 4 days to make one of these. What have we got here?
No, actually it doesn't. This is made from our new, what we term vision manufacturing line. Someone has accused me of having a vision in 2008 to create Project 2010, which is the reinvention of our manufacturing processes. This particular product is made with robotics, with the most advanced lasers in the world, and we've developed a new way of shrinking the rings and wires together. So this process that used to take more than 50 man-hours is now down to about 20 man-hours. And this machine could actually be built in an afternoon.
Wow, yeah, that's impressive.
So it's our way of being able to continue the jobs locally, serve our local markets with first world quality, and do it in real time rather than having to import something from a foreign country.
Superb. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you, Amanda.